Now we look at the verse 9 of chapter 1. It is about Vishnu's dual nature. I will chant this and I'm going to use Bhagavad Gita meter. It's quite simple to chant, and also it's a musical, so I will use that. Eko Vyaktatmako Vishnu Anadi Prabhurishwarah Shuddha Sattvo Jagat Swami Nirgunastrigunanvitah. We'll look at the meaning now. The individual words and meanings are given here, which you can refer later. Vishnu, the Supreme Master, exists as the one unmanifest, eternal and pure being who governs the creation. Though beyond qualities, he possesses the three gunas. This paradoxical nature reveals his role as both transcendent and immanent sovereign. The verse unveils Vishnu's unique cosmic position through a series of apparent contradictions. As the one supreme being, he transcends all qualities while simultaneously possessing them. This paradox isn't a contradiction, but rather reveals a sophisticated understanding of how the Absolute relates to creation, being both beyond and within it. A question for you: how do you balance being true to yourself while playing different roles at home and at work?